Struggling with manual data management? Handling data usage records manually can be chaotic, but is there a better way? Introducing decision-making. Shop Mediation automates data processing for accurate billing, streamlined and efficient. How it works. Shop Mediation optimizes consumption data, captures usage data, deduplicates entries to avoid billing errors, enriches data for better insights. Zoho Billing handles invoicing seamlessly, manages payments and credits efficiently, facilitates collections for outstanding payments, pre-rates usage for accurate billing, delivers an accurate and automated financial process, provides a hassle-free experience for users. Transform your data management effortlessly. Enable the automation of usage records processing. Streamline the deduplication of records to ensure data accuracy. Validate records to maintain high-quality data standards. Enrich data for better insights and decision-making. Automate the rating process for efficiency and consistency. Excited to automate? Shop Mediation. Visit us today and transform your data management. https://decisionmaking.biz/marketplace/shopmediation